This will be very useful for field unit as well as management to know about the fault statistics as well as the link statistics. If you look at in the left side, you can see 5 different tabs. First is links, second one is tickets, third one is customer, fourth one is reports, and fifth one is manage. We will see one by one. First one is links. The links tab having two menu. One is all links and search link. If you want to get all the links under your scope, since I logged in as a Pan India user, if I click all links, I will get all the links in all the working links of MPLS VPN internet and point to point, everything will show. Then if I want to specifically search a link, I can click the search link, I can give the LCID of the link, then I can come to know the status of the link. For example, this is the LCID, I will copy it, I will go to the search, I will give the LCID, then submit. If I give, so LCID wise it will show what is the customer name. So state informatics officer, it is a what service type, point to point lease circuit across state, bandwidth is 8 Mbps, then what is the A and SSA, B and SSA. These are all the information available under links menu. Then tickets menu. If you look at the tickets, there is three items are there. One is all tickets, then another one is my tickets, and the third one is resolved tickets. Suppose I am a circle user, so if I logged in and if I check the all tickets belongs to my circle will show under all tickets. Suppose if I am a exchange user and the fault is assigned to me, then if I click the my tickets, what are all the faults assigned to me will come under my tickets. Then resolved ticket is what are all the tickets resolved under my scope. Okay. Then come to the customer. So what are all the customers are in my scope. That means if I am a circle user, what are all the customers are we are serving. It will show the list of customers. Okay, it will show the list of customers with who is the EB unit, who is the billing SSA, all commercial information as well as the technical information, everything it will show. We will cover everything in detail in the upcoming videos. Then next one is reports. So under reports, we can get the fault summary. Fault summary means again what kind of service as per circle wise. Since I logged in as a Pan India user, I will get this report. Then recent pendency report, why this fault is pending. Then working summary report, what is the count for all the circles in Pan India user. Okay. Then manage. This is completely about the user management. How to create a user, how to assign a user to a team. Everything will be covered in the manage part. If you want to change the password, you can go there, click the user account. You can change your user profile and password. This is under here. Your account details, everything will show here. Okay. Demo India, when it is created, from which IP you are accessing. So everything will be logged. Now I will log in as a circle user. I will show the difference. So I am logging as a circle user. Now I am logged in as a Karnataka circle user. In Karnataka, as of now, 234 falls are pending. Less than 24 hours is 0, and between 1 to 15 days is 135, and more than 15 days is 99. Whatever we have seen in the pan India user, same format only come here. Only difference is there we get circle wise false, here it will show SSA wise false. Otherwise everything will be the same. If you look at the customer wise or project wise also, it will show the false belongs to the circle only, it will show. So everything is filtered and based on the user scope. Okay, if you look at the service wise links statistics, you can see SSA wise. So Bidar, Bangalore, Belgaum, Bijapur, Bellary, Chikmagalur, Davangere. Okay, these are all based on the SSA. If I click all tickets, it will show the tickets pending in Bangalore, it will show. Sorry, tickets pending in Karnataka, entire Karnataka, it will show. Okay, we will see about the tickets, everything in the upcoming videos in details. Okay, here we have to see what is all tickets and my tickets. My tickets means if any ticket is pending with me for any action, it will show in my tickets. Since I logged in as a circle admin, he will not handle any faults, so my tickets will not come to the circle users normally. Okay, then next I will show you a SSA user demo. So now I logged in as a Bangalore SSA administrator. So Bangalore SSA means again every format is same. Instead of SSA, now I will get exchange wise. Exchange wise false I will get. Duration wise exchange wise false. Priority exchange wise false. Project again it is for exclusive for the exchanges under Bangalore SSA only. Okay, so currently 50 falls are pending in Bangalore SSA, right? So next I will show you one exchange user, that is the end user. So now I logged in as a exchange user, Bangalore East exchange user. Currently only one fault is pending. It is more than 1 to 15 days. It is in between 1 to 15 days. It is a Kodak Bank customer. If I click the link, it will show what is the link. See, BG East exchange. So BG East exchange is the this actual users exchange. So what are all the pending for him, it will show here. So now how the faults will be assigned to the end users. First we have to configure the circle and SSA users, then SSA users to configure the exchange users first. Already the data received from ITPC having exchange details, NDA exchange and BND exchange details of each and every circuits. The data is already available. The fault data extracted from the external system such as Remedy or CDR or KU band system, we will get the LCID from the fault tickets, and we will compare the link master data received from CDR. Then we will find out the corresponding exchange code of the ticket. Then if the user is already configured, that is exchange user is already configured by the SSA admin, the tickets will be directly pushed to the concerned exchange users. Then they can operate the tickets. Suppose the exchange user is not yet configured by the SSA admin. Then what will happen? The tickets will be assigned to the concerned SSA admin. Then he should create the user and push the ticket. Afterwards, in future, automatically the tickets will be pushed to the exchange user. Okay, suppose SSA users also not created, then what will be the scenario? Yes, the tickets will be assigned to the circle LC coordinator. The faults will be showing under the LC coordinator head. Then the LC coordinator should create the SSA user and inform the SSA user to create the exchange user, concerned exchange users. So then he can push the ticket to the concerned exchange team or the SSA team. So this is the hierarchy we are following. First, it will check the exchange user. If the exchange user is not there, SSA admin. If SSA admin is not there, it will be assigned to the circle LC admin. This is the flow followed in Prabal plus fault escalation. Okay. In detail, we will see in the upcoming videos. Thank you.